In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Always Show Captions in Microsoft Teams. Turning on automatic captions is a great way to make your meetings more accessible and easier to follow, especially in noisy environments, or if you prefer to read along while people are talking. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps and explain what you're looking at along the way so you feel confident changing this setting yourself. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You should see an icon that opens a menu with additional options. This is often represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on this to open the More menu. This menu is where Teams keeps a lot of extra tools and settings that aren't visible on the main screen, so it's usually the place to go when you want to customize how Teams behaves. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings, then click on it. This will open a new panel or window with several categories on the side. The Settings area is where you can control your general preferences, notifications, devices, and accessibility features, including captions. Inside the Settings panel, find and select the section called Accessibility. This section is dedicated to features that improve usability for everyone, including people who are deaf or hard of hearing, non-native speakers, or anyone who just benefits from visual support while listening. Click on Accessibility to open its options. Within the accessibility settings, look for the option related to captions, specifically Always Show Captions, or a similarly worded toggle. You'll see a switch that you can turn on or off. Click on the toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, the switch will change its position or color to indicate that captions are now set to always appear. With this setting turned on, Microsoft Teams will automatically display live captions whenever they're available in your meetings, so you won't need to remember to enable them manually every time. If you ever decide you don't want captions showing by default, you can simply return to this same accessibility section and toggle the setting off again.